Alright guys, welcome back. Today just going to do a little something different. Got planned a little bit of a new collection I was looking to go forward with in 2016. Kind of get sparked by the Gentle Giant G.I. Joe figures. So over the past couple of weeks, I've been picking up a couple of vintage G.I. Joe action figures. This is something I had dabbled in over the past couple of years, just very sporadically, one or two figures here and there. But I decided I wanted to go ahead and do a nice little collection of some of my favorite vintage G.I. Joe figures. So just wanted to do a little unboxing and show you what I got so far. So let's see here. This box, I honestly don't know what exactly is in it because I did a few different orders on eBay. I'm not sure which one this is. So let's take a look. Oh, this is a good one. Really good. As you can see, here it is. I tried to pick up some really nice examples of some of my favorite figures. And here we have Duke. Really, let's pop them open. Let's do a proper unboxing here. Wow, he looks great. He looks like he's in great shape. Joints are really tight. Wow, that is a very nice Duke. Looks practically brand new. That's awesome. Great way to start there, huh? Not going to take out all the accessories, but this is a complete figure. So I'll put him to the side. Next, got Lady J. I believe she's from 1985, if I remember correctly. Again, another complete figure. And again, very nice condition. See, the patch isn't worn away. Very tight joints, almost pretty much, like I said, a brand new figure. Never had this one as a kid, but I did want to add her to my vintage collection. So, excellent addition there. So that's Lady J. You can't have a vintage Joe collection without this guy. And this particular figure, this box of figures that I got is all from one seller. And this is the one that drew me to picking up this lot of figures. I did pick them out individually, but looking at the condition of the pictures of this Cobra Commander online, I was blown away. And look at that. That is gorgeous. What an awesome looking Cobra Commander. Very cool. Wow. Very nice. Put him to the side. I guess I should kind of give you guys a little eye candy as I go along, at least in the background here. And the last figure from this box, of course, Gung Ho. Definitely had to have this guy. I remember being pretty excited about him when I got him as a kid. And you can see the condition of these figures are awesome. It's really kind of fun to collect the vintage figures. And I find it kind of fun to collect them loose. I have picked up a few carded ones throughout the past couple of years, but it's actually kind of more fun to pick really nice examples up of loose ones, so you don't have that guilt of opening a vintage figure. There he is. That is beautiful. Really awesome there. So that's a lot. They're all complete figures. Got all of their accessories. I'll be trying to put together a little display of the vintage figures. And let's just get right into the next box. This one is from smalljoes.com. Excellent source for vintage G.I. Joes. This is my first purchase from them. And you can see I picked up Survival. Now this guy come complete with file card, which is really nice. Wow, he looks cool. Let's take a quick look at him. And there he is. Outback. Very cool figure. One of my faves as a kid. Just a really cool looking figure. Always dug this look. So that's about it. There is one extra thing in this little the Small Joe's box, which is going to help me with the collection. It's picked up the clear figure stands for them. It'd be nice to have them stand. What do we got written on here? Oh, it's their official stand, so it is smalljoes.com. If you can make that out. So that's pretty cool. They make their own official Joe stands, and even got like little bump outs here at the bottom, so it stands up off the ground. Let's take a look. And they were said to have like a taper on them, so it helps to prevent breaking the heels on more fragile figures. So that's it. That's a look at my lot of vintage G.I. Joes, basically 83 through 87, I believe, here. Those are like some of my favorite years. Basically 82 to 87 is all I really wanted to collect out of the vintage line. But these are really nice examples. Very happy to pick them up. Like I said, this is something I wanted to do going forward for 2015. To pick up a nice little collection of vintage G.I. Joes. I do got some more on the way, so stay tuned. I also got a couple of other vintage / new items that I'll be getting over the next week. So stay tuned for that, and hope you enjoyed the video. And thanks for coming. And as always, thanks for subscribing, commenting, and watching. Till next time, guys.